Follow your culinary ambitions and cook without limits with Thermador Steam Ovens, featuring the largest 30-inch steam oven capacity on the market. Steam lets you cook evenly without sacrificing flavor, cook faster without sacrificing moisture, and cook confidently that your next meal will be truly memorable. Available in both masterpiece and professional finishes, as well as combination steam ovens with a full convection oven, there is an innovative steam solution for virtually any kitchen's needs. Whatever you choose, you'll enjoy iconic Thermador design and craftsmanship, complete with luxurious stainless steel and metallic gray glass finishes for an elegant and contemporary aesthetic. With a spacious 2.8 cubic foot oven capacity, Thermador steam ovens are perfect for everyday use and feature 17 heating modes, including steam, steam convection, bake, broil, and roast. Locking in moisture and nutrients while sealing out flavor transfer, steam lets you prepare mouth-watering meats, fish, vegetables, even bread and desserts with exceptional texture. Steam ovens heat with water vapor instead of air, allowing for faster cooking without drying food items. And with no need for fats or oils, you can treat family and friends to healthier dishes that never compromise on flavor. Innovative Thermador technology also allows you to combine steam with other cooking methods, including convection, to produce delicious results, such as perfectly browned meats that don't lose their juices or flavor. Steam even lets you upgrade leftovers with superior reheating on a wide variety of foods while retaining taste and texture. Thermador steam ovens feature 3 full-access telescopic racks for seamless access to dishes, as well as easy grip handles to safely support heavier cookware. Preheat remotely, get a notification when dinner is ready, access recipe and pairing suggestions, and more with the Thermador Connected experience via Home Connect. Enhance your culinary capabilities and bring your craft to perfection with the nearly unlimited potential of a Thermador steam oven.